If you need to reset your password on Tenjin, follow these straightforward steps to gain access to your account. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Go to the login page. Visit the Tenjin login page on your web browser or app. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or similar. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. In the password recovery section, enter the email address associated with your Tenjin account. Make sure to double check for any typos before submitting. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for password reset email from Tenjin. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to reset your password. You will typically be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Tenjin account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Tenjin support for further assistance.